Good morning, class. This is your subject accountancy, chapter number 11, cash book, lecture number 5th. Beta, in our last class, we have solved this till question number 8b. Let's start question number 9. First of all, read the question. Enter the following transaction in the cash book with cash and bank columns. Read the question carefully. Yes, first transaction is बैलेंस ऑफ कैश इन हैंड एंड बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट. सो कैश इन हैंड का बैलेंस टू बैलेंस बीडी एंड बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट का बैलेंस बाय बैलेंस बीडी 50,000 in bank. Fine. April 4 invested further capital out of which 60,000 deposited into bank. So to capital account, April 4 40,000 will be in cash and in bank 60,000 will be there. Fine. April 5th sold goods for cash 30,000 plus CGST, SGST 6% each. So to sales account, to output CGST, to output SGST on the same date. तो सेल्स के सामने 30,000, CGST 1800, 30,000 का 6%, SGST also 1800. April 10 purchase goods for rupees 55,000 plus CGST, SGST and issue a check for the same. Check issue किया, that's why we will write this amount in bank column. So buy purchases, buy input CGST, buy input SGST 55,000, CGST, SGST 3,300, 55,000 का 6%. Fine. April 11 paid to Ramvilas are creditor. They have paid and discount allowed by him. So by Ramvilas and it will be 25,000 in cash. 14 rent of 8,000. Rent paid to buy rent account, buy input CGST, buy input SGST. Rent में 8,000 will be there. CGST 480, 8,000 का 6%, SGST also 480. April 15 office furniture purchase and check issued for the same. So buy furniture account and it will be written 22,400 in bank. 16 drew check for personal use by drawings 5,000 will be in bank amount. Fine. Then 18 collection from Atul but deposited into bank on 19th April. So we will do this entry on 19 to checks in hand and will be 15,000 in bank. Fine. Now 20th goods sold to Amit Raj 80,000 by those goods sold to Amit Raj 80,000 plus CGST. Beta, it is given Amit Raj and name is given. That's why it is credit entry. So credit sale we will not record in cash book. We will record in journal. Fine. Next is 25th received a check for 88,000 from Amit Raj in full settlement and deposited into the bank. So it is deposited into the bank. That's why two checks in hand 88,000 on the same date. It will be written under bank column. On April 29, drew from bank for salary of the office staff. So by salary account 25,000. Next one is paid salary of the manager by check 10,000. So by manager salary 10,000 it will be in bank. So we have done debit and credit entries both. Now we will note down the balance. So debit side balance, bank balance is carried down 19,960 and credit side will be carried down cash balance 52,600. Next month it will be brought down. Fine, you will have to write it. Now question number 10 है, write the following transaction in 2 column cash book and balance the cash book. Let's read the question first. First of all, it is given that cash in hand to balance BD 6,000 and bank balance credit balance is given. So by balance BD 3,000 is there. Next one is deposited into the bank. So it will be contra entry to cash account by bank account 2,000 2,000. Next one is received from Mohan and discount allowed. Received from Mohan, that's why to Mohan, and under cash we will write 400. Discount allowed entry will go in working note. Next one is 7th on January 7th. Received a check from Hari and sent it to bank. So to Hari account, and we will write this amount under bank 600. January 9 received a check from Prem Mohan and discount allowed. So received a check from Prem Mohan. So, and one more thing, discount allowed. Beta check received from Prem Mohan and from Gopal 20th. They both will be recorded in journal because these will be recorded in the cash book on the dates of their deposited into bank. Fine. Now on April 12 withdrew from bank for office use. So it will be by withdrew from bank for office use 300. So it will be by cash account to bank account because it is contra entry 300 300. So on date of 14 Jan sold goods for cash 1200 to sales account 1200. On 18 Prem Mohan check deposited into bank. Beta Prem Mohan has given us check on 9th. That's why we have not done the entry now. On 18 he has deposited the check into bank. So it was like 1600. So two checks in hand 1600. Now we'll do this entry. On 20th Jan sold goods to Gopal for 1500 for which he gave cash 800 and check of rupees 700. So to Gopal 800. He has given check of 700 but next date it is deposited into bank. So we will do this entry on Jan 22. Two checks in hand 700 rupees. Fine. 24 paid rent by check 150 rupees. So by rent account 150 will be in bank account. We will write in bank account. Fine. Jan 25th withdrew from bank for personal use for rupees 200. So it is drawings, isn't it? So by drawings and the amount will be written under bank column. Jan 28 bank notified that Prem Mohan check was dishonored. Check dishonor हो गया तो by Prem Mohan and check will be and 1600 will be in bank column. On Jan 30th received from Anil 217 cash 540 by check. Fine, and the check was deposited into bank. So to Anil 270 cash में 540 bank में. Understood? It's very easy. On 31st they are saying bank charges are there. So by bank charges rupees 5 and paid salary by salary account 500 will be in cash amount. Now we will do balance carried down. It will be 109 rupees in bank and 5,670 rupees will be in cash. Fine. We'll do its balance. Now see beta. The entry of checks in hand. They are saying on Jan 9 it was received from Prem Mohan and discount allowed. So checks in hand account debited, discount allowed account debited to Prem Mohan 1600 25 16 25. On Jan 20th it was like sold goods to Gopal and which he gave 800. See चेक जो दिया 700 का उसकी एंट्री करनी है हमें. तो चेक्स इन हैंड अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू गोपाल whenever it will be deposited we will do the entry in the cash book. Now next one is on Jan 28th Prem Mohan bank notified that Prem Mohan check was dishonored. So Prem Mohan account debited to discount allowed because dishonor entry we have already done in cash book. Fine. So here we'll do the entry of discount allowed. So that will be 25 rupees and check received from Prem Mohan dishonored. Understood? So these type of entry we will have to record in journal proper, as we can see that we can record it in working notes. Fine. Now question number 10th B. Prepare 2-column cash book from the following transaction. Read the question carefully. See beta. Cash at office means to cash in hand. So to balance VD 72 rupees. By balance VD bank overdraft 1250 will be under bank column. May 4 received from Prem Chand a check of rupees 1875 in full settlement of his account 1900. So to Prem Chand this amount 1875 will go in bank. Now fifth, bought goods and paid by check 500. By purchases account 500 will be written under bank column. Now on May 6, Narendra settled his account 700 by check and this was banked on the same day. Narendra settled his account 700 by check. So to Narendra account and under bank we will write 700. Next one is paid to Manohar Lal by check for 420 discount received 80 rupees. So by Manohar Lal 420 rupees we will write under bank column. Discount entry we will do in journal proper in working notes. On May 12 cash sale date 400 of rupees 300 were banked. So to sales account 100 rupees in cash and 300 in bank account. Fine. On 17 sold a typewriter for cash to 2 office equipment and it will be 320 in cash. On 20th a received check from Naresh in full settlement of 460. So this check is endorsed to Suresh on 24th May in full settlement of his account. So beta on 20th May and on 25th May check received and endorsed will be done through journal proper in working notes. Fine. On 25th also see it is given like received a check and it was endorsed to Raj Prakash. It will be also done through journal proper in working notes. On 28th, now the entry is withdrew from bank for office use and for personal use. So by drawings account they are saying office use 100 rupees. It will be done and for personal use if it is for personal use it will be 100 rupees by drawings and for office use we will do the entry contra entry. To bank account by cash account बैंक की जो to bank account amount will be written under cash and by cash account amount will be written under bank. Fine. Next one is 29 withdrew from office for payment of private bills 425. So by drawings account 425 will be written under cash. On May 30th paid by check salaries 150 and rent 100 rupees. So by salaries by rent account 160 100 both will be written under bank. On May 31st bank charges as per passbook. So bank charges by bank charges and amount will be written under bank 5 rupees. Now balance carried down. It is the turn to balance carry down. So we will carry down the balance of both the side. That will be cash side 167 rupees and from bank side it will be 240 rupees. Fine. And it will be brought down on the first date of the next month, that is April 1st, to balance BD 167 and 240. Fine. 167 in cash, 240 rupees in bank. Now we will record all the entries that was not done in cash book, like May 20th checks in hand account debit, discount allowed account debit to Naresh account, checks in hand 400, discount allowed 60 and to Naresh 460. For what? For received check from Naresh in full settlement of his claim. May 24 Suresh account debit to checks in hand to discount received Suresh 420, checks in hand 400, discount received 20. May 25th checks in hand account debit to Hari Prakash 150. And on May 27, Raj Prakash account debited to checks in hand to discount receipt 180, checks in hand 150 and discount receipt 30 rupees. Understood? So now your homework is you have to do till question number 10th B in your fair notebook and practice illustration till 10th, that is given in your book on page number 11.27. Fine.